Here's the first of 3 knives that I've got scheduled for cleanup. This is the Craftsman model 95021. This one cleaned up quite well. I'm surprised at how nice it turned out. This was pretty badly tarnished, and that shield came out really nice. Polished up really well. The bolsters look really good. The pins. The liners. We'll look at the blades in a minute. Liners really popped. The brass really shines nice. And the blades, better than I anticipated. As you can see there on the tang stamp, this is the Craftsman 95021. That notch in the blade there is from me cutting into a hot wire and melting a spot in the blade. I debated about whether to grind that out or just leave it alone. I'd probably have to grind pretty far into the blade to get rid of it, so I just decided to leave it. Pin blade, not in too bad a shape. The pin blade has been sharpened quite a bit, and it was sitting up slightly above the handles a while ago, and about like that. And I ground the heel down just a bit. This camera's not wanting to focus too well. So I ground that down just a tad, and now sits down in there at a satisfactory spot. So this is the first of 3 that I've got lined up for cleanup. The other one is an old Camillus Barlow and a case Yellowhand Stockman. They'll be coming up soon. Keep an eye out for them.